support of her plea, the petitioner has averred that after the 1st July order passed by the court, various incidents including number one, Salman Chishti claiming to be Khadim of Ajmer Dargah has circulated video calling to cut the throat of the petitioner. Number two, one person from UP made viral video using abusive language and threatening to behead her. Number three, more FIRs have been registered in the state of West Bengal. Number four, the Kolkata police has issued lookout circular due to which she apprehends denial of fair opportunity to approach different high courts. During the course of the hearing, Shri Maninder Singh has, Advocate Maninder Singh has referred to two more instances. So these are instances that are being brought forth by Nupur Sharma's lawyer. All right, Nupur case hearing on 10th August now. That's the latest coming in at this point of time. Nalini is also still with us. Nalini, the hearing is going to continue on August 10th now?
Yes, Jyoti, and in fact, the big breaking news that we are getting in from the Supreme Court right now is that Nupur Sharma has got the protection from arrest at least until the next date of hearing, because the Supreme Court, while passing its orders, has specifically said that as an interim measure it is directed that no coercive action will be taken against the petitioner. So one of the most important parts of her plea, that she should be protected from arrest, has been granted to her at least until the next date of hearing, which of course is an interim relief, but must be coming as a huge relief to Nupur Sharma, because she was apprehending arrest, which is precisely the reason why she had moved Supreme Court in this miscellaneous application, even though her earlier petition was dismissed as withdrawn. And now huge relief coming in for her from the Supreme Court, where the Supreme Court has said that there will be no coercive action that will be taken against Nupur Sharma until the next date of hearing, which means that she can't be arrested. Of course, it does not impact the investigation in any manner, because Nupur Sharma will still have to cooperate with the investigation and allow the investigation to continue. But in the meantime, her liberty has definitely been upheld. The Supreme Court has said that there will be no coercive action against her. She cannot be arrested till the 10th of August, which is when the matter is going to be taken up next by the bench.
So until 10th, she gets relief from arrest at this point of time. And if you could just also encapsulate the big takeaways, Nalini, from what happened in court right now, as we're updating our viewers that the hearing will now take place on 10th of August.
Well, yes, the biggest takeaway, Chaiti, of course, is the fact that Nupur Sharma's got protection from arrest. But there are also a few sub-issues that need to be highlighted at this point through the hearing that has happened in the Supreme Court. One, notices have been issued to all the respondents, including the centre, which means that this plea that has now been filed by Nupur Sharma, asking for all of the FIRs to be clubbed together and to be transferred to Delhi, and also that she should get perpetual protection from arrest in these cases, is something that the central government will now also respond to. She has also made party to the cases, the police of all of the 4 states in which FIRs have been registered against her. So it is likely that those 4 states will also be responding to Nupur Sharma's petition. It remains to be seen whether or not they oppose her plea for granting protection and also her plea for clubbing these FIRs together, because they might state that these are all different investigations, but considering that they are arising out of the same cause of action, it doesn't seem likely that the Supreme Court might actually go ahead and allow that to happen. The second thing that the Supreme Court has said is that the earlier orders they had passed, they had specifically asked Nupur Sharma to avail her legal remedies.
You know, as you continue, Nalini, of course, the Supreme Court has granted protection from arrest to Nupur Sharma till the next date of hearing, which is 10th of August, is flashing on our screens right now. They've also issued notice to all states and centre as well on her plea. So across the length and breadth of the country, Nupur Sharma cannot be arrested until 10th of August. This is huge relief coming in for her, Nalini.
Yeah. Precisely. I am pretty sure that Nupur Sharma right now will be breathing a huge sigh of relief, because the last time around when she had come to the Supreme Court, things did not go according to what she had planned, and definitely not according to what she had anticipated. Because the kind of barrage of criticism that Nupur Sharma had faced the last time around, she was definitely not anticipating that. But this time around, she's had the courage to come and knock on the doors of the Supreme Court again, very well knowing that the Supreme Court might once again go into the same kind of barrage of criticism.